So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex morning call. It's another trading day. It's Wednesday, 14th of September. I hope you're doing good and you had a great start into your own trading day. Yesterday, it was a calm day, right? Yeah, not really. I guess a lot of traders had problems yesterday, and maybe a couple of them had a good day yesterday. So as you could see, the Dow had the worst or the biggest decline yesterday since 2 years. The highest daily loss in the last 2 years. Really interesting. And Nasdaq, S&P 500 are not so far away from Dow Jones. But as a trend follower, as you know, and as a private trader who understood what happens in the market or who understand what's happened in the market, doesn't care about this. Let's have a look at the markets. And before we do this, we want to check the charts. We want to check the general risk warning. Trading with stocks and financial assets like Forex can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. Okay, what's yesterday? You see that was the bad impact here of these numbers here. So, and that was the bad point here. So inflation was much higher than expected. So, and that was the big impact yesterday. Yeah. So, and as you can see here in this is Great Britain, it's a kind of better than expected. But that yesterday, that was the cause of the big impact yesterday. So that's already done, and we don't have any important news for today. So let me say good morning here. Marius, good morning. And on YouTube, Aurelio, good morning. Thomas, Yanis, Cayetano, greetings to Portugal. So how is the course going? You're fighting with, I guess. Dory, good morning. Willie, also good morning. Okay, let's come to the charts. Yeah, that was the big impact yesterday. And you see, what is literally happening was, as you can see here, it's really clear. So check it out. Yeah, we were expensive. Yeah, you see, point of control was there. Yeah, and check it out. Here we go. We came back, and since then, here we are circling around the point of control. Yeah, and we said, this is the point of control. And I said yesterday morning, be careful with this because the price was really expensive. Yeah, therefore, the trend follower doesn't care about any news, something like this. But that was the big warning signal that was the point of control, and we were really, really expensive with this price. So, and as you know, I'm not sure yesterday. Yeah, the previous point of control, you see, was a little bit lower. Yeah, and now yesterday, or I guess I don't know when, we hit this new point of control. You see, so the price came back into the red zone, not really the point of control. I have to fix myself, sorry. That's the new point of control. So it changed a little bit higher. Maybe this is a good sign that the market says, okay, we are fine with a higher price, it's fair price. But basically, yesterday, if you check the show from yesterday, there's a playlist on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. You will see that we said we are really expensive and the possibility are extremely high that we will go back. Okay, and that was the cause of the news yesterday. What's about the trend? Yeah, trend really easy. And I told you yesterday, the real trend follower had its entry in the second trend arm or maybe in the third one and trailed the stop and get out here. yeah, and had a lovely profit with this. So the trend follower had another entry yesterday, yeah, and the second entry was here, yeah, after the big impact, just on a sideline, make money here with the long, waiting for a new trend, had a wonderful entry here, and now actually stop loss is just in profit, yeah. And now let's see what happens next. There is no new uptrend yet. It's just a downtrend. Yeah. So the trend follower makes the trade safe by trailing the stop loss into the profit and is happy about the rules. By the way, let's come to the higher time frame, 4-hourly chart. So here we go. We talked about yesterday, the downtrend is done. Yeah, and the big impact yesterday was, I would say, a wonderful thing for a trend follower. Why? Yeah, we were far in the move. We were waiting for the correction. So now here's your correction. Now you have a valid trend, guys. Now we are in the correction. And as you know, we need rule number 2 or 3, a correction deeper 38. You can measure it with Fibonacci or with any rules, a ruler like this. Yeah, and now we hit 50%. 50% is, of course, not a Fibonacci number. It's just common number of the half of the move. Yeah, so maybe we go back to 61. Yeah, but who cares? Now we have a close deeper 38, and that's the point. So, and now let's wait for a balance candle, and then we can open a position in DAX for long. Because the point of control is up at 50,000 points. Dow Jones. Yeah, Dow Jones, the downtrend is done. The uptrend is not done yet because we had just a fake breakouts on the lower side. So be careful. But if we will see a balance candle, it's also a perfect situation to go long, because the trader, a real trader, is looking for what? A cheap price. So that's a cheap price. So just standing on the sideline and just waiting. Bitcoin, no trend anymore. Down is done. Up is done. Yeah. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. When I used to say, if you make an entry and you have a trend continuation, trail your stop into the profit and you don't have a loss. This is what I teach you in a course. Gold, wonderful. So I told you, right? I told you since days. The trend follower has an entry here, has the stop loss in profit, and is still in. And now he's happy because the price seemingly is making this one. Maybe. If not, who cares? Just in profit, and you cannot lose money. On the other side, you can see, okay, trend on number 2, deep in the correction. It looks like that will show up here a balance candle entry 11 o'clock after this possible balance candle. Check it out. You see, rules, simple. It's really simple. Euro US dollar. I told you all the time, if you have an entry here, or maybe latest here, trail your stop loss in profit. Maybe here you are still in. If you had an entry here, then you are out without a loss. Yeah, but told you, check it out. It was short, trend on number 2. Look, there was your balance candle. So the question is, do you have an open short position? Really cool, right? Pound dollar. Yeah, the downtrend is done. I had an entry here because I was speculating on the trend continuation because that was my rules. Yeah. So, but the price went back. That was my bad yesterday. It was not a fault because I stuck to the rules. trend of number 2, 2 balance candles, entry signal. So trade my stop loss, everything is fine. So now I'm waiting for a balance candle, a clear balance candle, and then I will make a re-entry. So that was that's the 4-hourly chart. So do you mind to see point of control of US dollar JPY? No, I don't, because if you want to see it, I have to say this, unfortunately, because then buy the indicator, please. Okay. So let's come to my running trades. You know, it's not a personal thing, Cayetano, but you know, I don't support this behavior to see everything for free. So if you want to see it, buy the indicator. So again, don't take it personally, but this is a thing in general. Yeah. So if you want to have such things, then you have to pay for it. So Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, that's my running trades right now. Yeah, I'm a little bit in loss, but the stop loss is below. So everything is fine there. Just wait, maybe the price, but just still the second trend arm. Yeah, and if you don't have an open position here right now, you can still wait for the next balance candle. Aussie Swiss, cool thing. So by the way, can you see it? I told you, yeah, I told you in the second trend arm, hit quote almost 70%. Did we do? Yes, here we go. Yeah. Stop losses and profit, everything is fine. Canadian Swiss, you see, trend of number 2, 70%. Yeah, that was not a trend continuation, still trend of number 2, bam. Now we got it again, 70% hit quote again. Yeah. So, and by the way, the uptrend actually is seemingly done. Yeah, it's just the downtrend which will continue. Euro pound, still in position running. Euro JPY, top. Yeah, another trend continuation. By the way, another break of the down. So be careful. Maybe there will show up a balance candle today. We should be prepared for a possible short. Euro Kiwi, strong, going up to less 0.2 and stop losses in profit. Cannot lose money. Pound JPY, yeah. It's along, exactly. But why I'm out here? So the short was not working, by the way, and the long. It's still a running position, of course. Yeah, price is exactly at the entry, so everything is fine for the moment. Pound Kiwi, no, that will be a loss, I guess. That will be a loss. This is a trend candle today. I guess today I will have in the afternoon or in the evening, I will trail my stop a little bit closer. Kiwi catch, now we are out. Now we are out, the price went back. And here you see the benefit of trend following, because you can see here, it was trend on number 4, yeah, and it looks like trend continuation. And as you can see, the perfect first entry trend on number 2, trend on number 3, now you can trail a stop, yeah, or it's in profit and you could make a re-entry here. That's trend following. Kiwi JPY. I trailed my stop yesterday because it was trend on number 2 to make the money. Yeah, and now I'm waiting for a rebound, for a re-entry. Nasdaq, we are out at the entry. I told you, trail the stop into the profit because we had rising prices and we can make a re-entry. So now we have a downtrend also. And yesterday, a big balance candle, which means I have a stop sell order on the way down. Yeah. But if we If we don't break the uptrend, then we are on trend number 3, and I have to make a re-entry for a possible long. So now we have 2 trends, long and short. Finally, dollar Swiss. Yeah, still in profit. Still in profit. Let's see about this trend. That's the running trends. And let's see, still on the watch list, Euro Swiss, just waiting for a long. And US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, re-entry. Still trend of number 5. We are waiting for a trend continuation, re-entry on the way up. Yeah. And coffee price, yeah, is still going down, but it's still trend of number 3. Yeah. And here we go. I used to say, in heaven's sake, trail the stop loss into the profit and you don't have a loss. Yeah. So now the price is going deeper and we are just waiting for a rebound. Okay. That's all for today, guys. But the euro US dollar is still valid. Euro USD. Yes, long and short, both are still valid. So you have to be prepared for that. Okay, guys, quick session this morning, nothing more to say. And this is what you have to do as a job, as private trader job. Check it, rules, make a trade, management, trail your stop, manage away from the screen. If you make your job, this is everything what you have to do. Thanks for listening again, guys. I want to say thank you that you joined the Forex morning call again. And now I wish you a wonderful and lovely day. Maybe we'll see each other in the course or in my community, whatever there is. Have a beautiful day. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See ya tomorrow.